Hi guys, if you've always thinking that if you want to stay in a very good township, one that is developed beautifully, but then you must spend at least 700, 800, 900,000, 1 million to stay there, there is something very, very exciting coming up. You don't have to give up your current lifestyle and you still can stay in a wonderful township. Alright? To know more, register at duduk.my. duduk.my. Alright? Go register yourself and understand more this exciting concept coming from a very, very well-known developer. Cheers!
Okay guys, so many a time when we offer car buying advice, people will tell us, what's the car budget, and what is their sometimes they'll tell us what's their circumstance that will allow us to better understand their needs. And pretty often a lot of people scupper their initial car buying decision because they need to keep the money to buy a house. But all these good housing areas cost money. Recently, we heard of this new exciting development that allows you to stay in a good township, nice developed township, pleasant area, good facilities, without needing to break your bank so severely, which means that you can buy into one of these townships and still be able to afford your occasional cup of latte on the way to work, or a slightly more expensive car, while still paying for a house in that good neighborhood. So for more info on this exciting concept, go check out this link, duduk.my, register yourself to get more details. Okay, so moving on, I would like to use this video to address two comments that was made on my A6 hybrid video discussion conference video with Tana, and they were commenting that my video didn't look very professional because of all these distractions, right? And let's put it this way, the distractions that you see were deliberate. They were deliberately there, okay? One, because we are living in a very unique circumstance, okay? Everybody's got to stay at home, okay? Us parents, we no longer have the option of sending our kids to daycare. And I am pretty sure that that I'm not the only parent who is stuck at home with kids of boundless energy. So you see why I'm letting Queenie sit here in my video, why I let my daughters interrupt my video filming, is that I also want to show some of the other parents out there, some of the other people out there who are working from home, who are faced with their distractions, that they are not alone. All right, that in that a lot of people, before this whole MCO business, right, a lot of people think, wow, work from home is damn nice and all that. But working from home has other challenges. Working from home has distractions. I've been working from home since I joined this industry 10 years ago. When I was in Auto World, right, all those years ago, I was already working from home, okay, even though there's an office. What my routine those days were, I get up at about 8:30, 8:30, have my coffee, and I start working from home, all right, answer some emails, put up an article, and by the time, all right, by the time my story is up, it's about 10 o'clock, 10:30. That is when I hit the road to go to the office. By the time I reach office, it's usually about 11:30, 12. Sit down, make another cup of coffee. Oh, it's lunchtime. In between, I've answered some emails, go to lunch, come back to office, and then continue working until 4, 5. But usually if there's no, but this is on a day where there were no events. If on a day with events, of course the whole schedule gets jumbled up. But if without events, Usually I will stay in office past 7 to avoid the jam, and then I'll head home, have my dinner. And I remember back then, right, after I reach home, I continue working. I continue working until about 10 p.m. and then call it a day. So, and those days, I even did freelancing. I was a very prolific freelance writer at the site. Those days, my name appeared before on Cars.my magazine, appeared on Malay Mail. There was also 1 or 2 issues of Top Gear. Even Bobby at that time, when he was with Live, when he was still running Live Life Drive, he contracted me to do 1 article for him. Okay, so I was really one of the most prolific gun for hires in the automotive media scene. Anybody whose team they are short of writers to cover an article, they just give me a call, few $100, and I publish the article for them. Okay, those days, yep, and I had a lot of time to do it. Then I joined Carlis. Yeah, more or less follow the same pattern, but I dropped a lot of the freelance gigs because at around the same time I started a family. Even during my time in Carlis, right, I didn't really observe very strict office hours. All right, I just went to office when I suka, and then I just leave when I suka. Okay, but then when I come to Evo, so yeah, at first it was easy, right? Work from home, fully work from home because we don't have an office in Evo. But later on, we felt the challenge came because my daughters were beginning to grow up. They began to take more attention, and that was when I realized that some people were telling me about the challenges of working from home. Because before that, when I was still a bachelor, working from home was piece of cake because I was able to focus all my energies onto my work. That is why those days I was able to churn out amazing levels of output. Then now, with family responsibilities, that has become a little difficult. Okay, you see, like now I'm the sole breadwinner of the house. Okay, so most of the time my wife takes up the household chores, but you see that is usually done when my elder daughter, who is 2 years old, goes to daycare. All right, and when the younger one is sleeping, so she can put her aside. That's when she gets a lot of the things done. But now stay at home. Okay, both kids are home with us, and they are at a stage where one person can't take care of the both of them together for an extended period of time. So it does mean that when I need to do work, it is down to my wife and luckily my sister-in-law to help watch out for the 2 kids. But when it is time for my wife to do her household chores, I can't leave the kids alone. So I use that time then to carry my one of the kids, all right? And you know, since rather than sit there, I can't write anything, I use that time to record my videos. And hence, which is why sometimes these videos have all these distractions, because as I am recording the video and at the same time I'm also covering for my wife who is doing something else. So yeah, that is the reason for it. Okay, and that is the reality for most couples who are working from home. And the thing is that the option of telling one person to do all the household chores, it can't fly. It can't fly, right? You have to. The reality is, the both of us have to cover for each other. So, like right now, I'm doing the laundry. I'm talking to you guys on the video. My wife and my sister-in-law are watching 2 kids. Okay, so it's a constant merry-go-round of responsibilities. Okay, and when I can squeeze that period of time to do my own things, you know, whilst maybe one of the kids are sleeping, then my wife has the time to look after to watch the other one. that is when I can sit down and and generate new written content for our pages. Don't forget, we have our titles, right? evomalaysia.com, estatemalaysia.com, karat, idmalaysia.com. So when I have that time to focus without interference, I would tend to use it to do those other things as well. Okay, so yeah, that is the reason why a lot of my videos during this period lah. Of course, that won't be the case when MCO is lifted. But during this period, as we have to stay at home, yeah, I'm recording my videos while folding clothes, while babysitting, while Queenie is being a drama queen. All right, so yeah, it's deliberate, and it is to show all the all the rest of you guys out there who are similarly struggling with various distractions whilst trying to work from home, that you guys are not alone. Okay, and it is perfectly normal that things aren't going according to plan. Okay, so yeah, so that's the reason. I mean, yeah, like I could easily have refilmed that video with Tana without with my daughters locked in the room, with Queenie put in the cage, but I chose not to do it. All right, yeah, so that's the reason why. But anyways, I do thank you for your comments. Okay, as I said, I take your comments with an open heart, and I am replying to you also, hoping that you would accept my reply with open heart. Okay, and I just want to thank you for watching my channel, and thank you for taking your time to comment. So yeah, anyways, for the next video I will be resuming. All right, I'll be resuming my Q&A. So drop any questions you have in the comment section below, and yeah, I'll answer it. Okay, cheers guys, stay safe, stay home.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera dan selamat petang kepada rakan-rakan media. Berdiri sebaris dengan saya adalah Datuk Dr. Rohaizat, Dr. Nohayati Rosli, Datuk Dr. Chong Chi Kiong dan Dr. Hisham Shah. Kementerian Kesihatan Malaysia ingin memaklumkan bahawa terdapat 54 kes yang telah pulih dan dibenarkan discharge pada hari ini. Ini menjadikan jumlah kumulatif kes yang telah pulih sepenuhnya daripada jangkitan COVID-19 dan telah discharge pada ward adalah sebanyak 3,349 kes, iaitu bersamaan dengan 61.1% daripada jumlah keseluruhan kes. Sehingga 21 April 2020 jam 12 tengah hari, terdapat 57 kes baru yang telah dilaporkan. Ini menjadikan jumlah kes positif COVID-19 di Malaysia adalah sebanyak 5,482 kes. Oleh itu, jumlah kes aktif dengan keboleh jangkitan COVID-19 adalah 2,041 kes. Daripada maklumat terkini dilaporkan ke CPRC Kebangsaan, duka cita dimaklumkan bahawa terdapat pertambahan 3 kes kematian berkaitan dengan COVID-19. Justru jumlah kumulatif kes kematian COVID-19 di Malaysia adalah sebanyak 92 kes. iaitu bersamaan dengan 1.68% daripada jumlah keseluruhan kes. Tapi kalau kita tak dapat mengesan mereka, jadi kita kena kuarantinkan mereka tu untuk tempoh 14 hari. Okey, terima kasih. Thank you.
Okey Datuk, sebelum tu kami dari warga media ingin mengucapkan selamat hari lahir yang ke-47. Okey, kami nak nyanyikan ini betul Datuk.
Di negara yang tercinta dicurahkan bakti penuh setia demi raja yang disanjung tinggi, kesetiaan tak berbelah bagi kepada pemimpin, kepada rakyat, hikmat diberi penuh taat, sama